First, we will save our layout. Then we will go to Manage tab and click Make Components. After selecting all the solid bodies, we can press Next. Then we can leave the source path by default or change to any path that we like. We will go with source path for now. Click Apply. Click Cancel. On the bottom, we can see that our layout assembly is created. We will change the view to shaded with edges. Now we can select all the parts in the assembly and assign materials to them. We will assign wood. Under the Assembly tab, we go to Bill of Materials, and structures are disabled by default, but we can enable them by right-clicking on them. We can also add material drop down, and we can easily see the materials assigned to each part. Now we will create a drawing. Right click OK. Inventor asks to save all the assembly files. Then if we go to Annotate tab and click Parts List, we should select our layout assembly, click OK, and then we will get our parts list. We can select the parts list and click from predefined presets. We will select material list. In material list, we can clearly see that all the materials assigned to each part are wood. We can also change our parts descriptions directly from the bill of materials. Right click Bill of Materials, and in a description column we can enter the name, for example tabletop, leg. We can copy, right clicking copy, and shift select all the cells, right click paste. We will paste all descriptions into these columns. When we click done, all descriptions in the material list is updated.